Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, prove that bracket open x plus 1 bracket close raised to the power of 2 minus bracket open x minus 1 bracket close raised to the power of 2 equals 4x. How do we solve this question? Let us go. Now, looking at what you're having on the board, we can also call it what? Difference of two squares. So if I have, let's say, a squared minus b squared, okay? Now, a squared minus b squared, then that's what? Difference of two squares can be written as a minus b, all right? And a plus what? Plus b, okay? Now, I can equate this a to x plus 1 and equate b to x minus what? 1. So, let me write this. Let a be equal to what? X plus 1 and b be equal to what? X minus what? X minus 1. Is that understood? So from what you are having here now, we can equate this now to x plus 1 all squared minus x minus 1 all squared to be. All right, now for what you are having here, okay, since we have equated a to x plus 1 and b to x minus 1. So from here, using this particular what? Expansion of this, so it's going to be bracket open. Our a here is x plus 1, okay, minus our b is x minus what? 1. All right. Now bracket open again. Our a is what? X plus 1 plus our b is what? X minus what? X minus 1. Is that clear? So from what you're having here, x plus 1 all squared minus x minus 1 all squared is equal to, now this is x plus 1, okay? Now let's open this what? Bracket here. Minus times plus is minus, okay, which is x, and then minus times minus is what? Is plus, all right? And then from here we are having x plus 1, all right, plus what? X minus what? X minus 1. Now from here we can collect what? Like terms, okay? So let's bring x and x together. So here is what? This is x minus x, x minus is x, then 1 plus what? Plus 1. Is that clear? Then also from here, it's going to be x plus what? Plus x, and here is what? 1 minus what? 1 minus 1. Is that understood? So for what you're having here, x minus what? X is what? Is 0. Okay, so that goes off. Then 1 plus 1 is what? Is 2. So here is 2. Okay? Now, brackets open. 1 minus 1 is 0, so it goes off. So what is x plus x? That is 2x. Okay? Now, what is 2 times 2x? 2 times 2x is 4x. Okay? So we have been able to prove that what? This particular what? Equation here, okay, is equal to what? Is equal to 4x. Alright, so we have already shown that x plus 1 all squared minus x minus 1 all squared is equal to what? To 4x. Thank you.